DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Creator Bundle Test. Watch ActiveTrack 8.0 hunt me in a crowd. You're standing in the perfect light. The moment is happening right now, and your phone starts doing the shaky dance while the audio sounds like a wind tunnel. That silent scream inside when you know the clip is ruined before it even starts. Comment dying if your camera roll is a graveyard of almost perfect moments. Now picture unfolding a tiny gimbal. Your phone clicks in like magic, and suddenly everything is locked, smooth, perfectly lit, with crisp lav audio cutting through the chaos. That electric jolt when you realize you finally look and sound like the pro you always wanted to be. No extra bags. No excuses. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Creator Bundle is straight up unfair. Lightning fast magnetic quick launch, under 1 second. ActiveTrack 8.0 that follows you through crowds and occlusions like a heat-seeking missile. 38 centimeters built-in extension rod for impossible angles. 17-hour monster battery. Native 1-button vertical or horizontal switching. Gesture control 2.0. Built-in adjustable fill light. 2700 to 6500K. FPV, Vortex, and timelapse modes. 2 Pro omnidirectional lav mics with 6-foot cables. Cordless 36 LED ring light with 3 color temps. Mini tripod, magnetic clamp, carry pouch, and a full 2-year drop and spill protection plan. One travel vlogger named Marcus was filming in a packed Marrakech souk. Threw up a peace sign. The gimbal started recording, tracked him through 50 people. Lav mic caught every word perfectly, while the ring light made the spices glow like gold. Uploaded the raw clip straight to Reels and hit 3 million views overnight. Wedding creators are selling their mirrorless rigs after one season with this thing. One shooter did 3 full weddings back-to-back on a single charge. 17 hours, 0 swaps, 0 stress. A TikTok tech channel with 3 million followers filmed an entire day in the life, using only the Osmo 7P bundle. ActiveTrack never dropped lock once. Dual lavs caught whispers in a moving train. Ring light turned night into golden hour. Comment section exploded with "What camera?" A mobile journalist told me privately. I stopped bringing my FX3 on run-and-gun days. This thing plus iPhone 16 Pro is lighter, faster, and the footage cuts together perfectly. Over 4,000 verified buyers keep it at 4.9 stars because it simply refuses to fail. Some still say, it's just a phone gimbal. Cool story. Until they watch your next reel and realize their $4,000 setup just got embarrassed by something that fits in a jacket pocket. Which part stings more? The smoothness, the audio, or knowing you waited this long? Tell me in the comments. Thousands of creators who were once stuck with shaky, muffled, dark footage are now dropping reels that stop thumbs dead. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Creator Bundle is the all-in-one key that finally unlocks the pro version of you. Everything you need to start shooting like the accounts you secretly study is in the link below. Click it, claim it, and watch your very next video hit different. I'll be waiting in the comments to see your first holy sh*t moment when you hit record. Go get it.